Hey guys, may gagawin ako guys. Ito bags. Ito flowers. At ito. Yeah, money bouquet for my madam. Suko ko guys sa akong mga mams. Sa akong manager, sa Mamlay. Para daw ni sa among madam. Ay ang birthday. Tusok yan. Oh, gawas no. Sikas mo tusok yan. Oh, see? Tapos, yan siya. Para, likod. Gawas akong artery. Okay, ano siya? Tulad sa box. Then, muna to ang, muna to flower. Later.
Padalas, PPS. Okay na, okay, pass. Eh, yung itsura na to, dahil, ano po ba natin? Sa kasi, alam ko kasi yung bibili yung
Ay, mga nilalang mga cellphone bukas.
Ikalunoy ang diba, ikubdal ko, ibuot kinabuhi ko. Ika sa akong alam, ang sa bawang ulay, mawikot ko, kapag ka maay mo. Tunay kang matinulaan mo, tunay kang maamugan ako. Hello, madam. This song is dedicated to Red Lloyd. Happy birthday. I'm only human. I'm just a woman. Hold me, believe in what I could be. Hi guys! Ito, happy birthday Ian, and my wish and prayer to you is to be always strong and courageous. Don't stop praying what you wish for, what you desire for your family and for yourself, because God is never tired of listening your prayer, and He never fails. Maybe we fail God, but God never fails. He never fails in our lives, in our family. Sometimes feeling na to mawala siya, pero He is there. He is always there. He never leave us. He never forsake us. And padayon sa imong pagkamaayo, padayon sa imong tinabangon, and thank you for your life. Happy birthday, and I hope that you will enjoy this day. And I always pray for your success and whatever the desires of your heart, God will grant it in His will and in His time. We are always here, iCadel team, especially me and Ma'am Lai, praying for you and your family. And this is our gift, iCadel family. Meron yan siyang symbolizes every color. So violet stands for a woman color in Women's Day rather. Violet siya. It symbolizes as a woman. As a woman, we are strong enough in every situation and every trials. We are strong enough to handle everything. That's why we are woman. And charan, meron siya. Ito I choose the color of orange sa rose because color orange is iCadel color. And the bills, the 1,000 bills, it symbolizes of the bill nga pinakadako na gid siya nga bill, wala na mulabaw pa nga kanang biggest bill nga papel nga tibuok. So that's why we choose the it symbolizes na pinakadako namong mahatag og support ni Ma'am Lai sa imuha. We always here for you, listening your all problems, and sometimes maybe di man tayo always nagkakausap, but we are always in our heart and we always praying for you. We are at the back, always at your back. And thank you so much for your life. God will bless you more and more and more and more. And stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay cute, and basta, we are praying for you. All the best in life. Happy birthday.